Hello everyone, welcome back to Multi channel. Today video we're just gonna connect this cut the heater core, engine heater core cable. It was cut one day. It was very cold weather, it was like minus almost 40, and try to pull this one. It was like up there, but when I pulled it, it cut, because when it gets super cold those wires get frozen, and as soon as you touch them they break easy. So now, before we do connect this to I just found this one, make sure you get the like a heavy duty, little bit heavy duty wire, because it's a heater core. And now we're just gonna quick test this one to make sure it's working. So if you have a, let's cut it from here. Okay, and I'll show you in a second where the, as you see there are 3 wires here. Let's just so the green is always ground, the green always ground, and there's blue or white or black. So the green, this one however is missing the grounds. It's not really important, but as you see here it's also 3 wires with the green, so I can disconnect connect it, but it's not really like you know, it's recommended to have the green, the ground here, but this one I found this plug cut, so it's easy to use. Let's get started. So first need to, okay, and then the ground. Okay, now we're gonna test. This is like a positive, negative, and this is ground. Now we need to test to make sure the heater core is working. With the any multimeter should work on continuity when you touch those together. See, you can do also on ohm, and you change the let's see if you don't have the sound on continuity. So see, let's give it a quick test. Good. So as soon as you see reading, the mean heater core is working. The quick way to, you can do, see, let's see, so there's something wrong here. See, when I move the wire, now it's disconnected, connected. So that means there is a cut. There is a cut in this wire, and we need to check. Either way, let's check this one too to make sure this wire we got is working before we install it. Okay, because those cable wire, they can. Okay, so simply connect this with that. Nothing. So here's the one wire is okay, and let's do the second wire. Good, both are working. Both are working well, so this wire is good to go. You'll have no problem, but we have a problem here. Now I'm just gonna show you where the wire is connected. When I go beneath the car, and this is the Toyota Sienna 2004, you can see the engine heater core where is connected, and just underneath the bumper, and you see the oil filter over there, and that's the heater core. See this one? That's the heater core for the to heat the engine oil, and somehow this one has a cut on it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unplug it from here. See, that's the over there. Okay, that's the plug over there, and here's the plug. Okay, now let's test this wire, because that is working good, no issues. The issue with the wire, check those the connection over there, the connector. You see this one to make sure no corrosion. It has a little bit though. You can use a brake and parts cleaner to clean it a little bit. And that's what we're gonna do before we plug it back in. We're gonna test the cable, the heater core cable. So again, ground and two live here. So okay, this wire is good. Let's move it, because when we move the wire, okay, last one is good. Do the other one. See, the other one is bad. I don't know if there's a cut here, maybe. Check the ground also. See, the ground is okay. See, the ground is good, but this one, yeah, this one, it does not work. See that? See, when I move it, anyway, so it's bad, so we have to replace this. There's a cut somewhere here. I don't know, maybe we'll be able to see it. Yeah, I don't know. So first, let's move this heat protector. This one here is a heat protector. Here's the heat. Oh, here we go. See this? We found cut. Here's the cut. So still, this is still good, but there is a cut here. See that? Let's cut it. Okay. Now we're just gonna test again. Okay. Okay, let's test again. I think it should work. Good. See, one is working good. Good. No shortage. Even if I move it, no problem. That means there's no other cut. See? Good. Do the other one. Good. Both of them is working even if I move the wire. So that's good. There's no cut here. We just found one cut only, and now we're just gonna put this to this one here. So, and we just simply follow the like ground on ground. It doesn't matter, just like, you know. So that's one, and I'm gonna solder them to make sure. Okay. Shrink. And to make sure, we have to solder it so that way good connector, and even if moisture get inside or anything like that, it should be fine. So this in. One more. I did terrible mistake. I forgot to put the heat shield back on, but you know, a scissor and I cut it. I put it here. Now I'm just gonna zip tight this thing. Okay. Yeah, this is what happened when I forgot something, you know. Start all over again. Okay. One more here. Oh, God. Yeah, that's much better. Now we're gonna do a quick test again using this multimeter. Continuity. Good. We have the cable ready, and we can, this is a lot of heat here. Probably we can, yeah, stay away from the heat. This is the exhaust as much as we can. So okay. So okay, good. Make sure you push it hard enough so it stays there. As you see, it's over there. And now we're gonna give a test. Gonna test it. Good. Perfect. So that's gonna, it is working cable and working heater core. We can also do, like, to stay away from the fan, from the alternator, we can zip tie it, you know, I mean, you know, zip tie it here, okay, like that. See, it's away from the exhaust completely, and that's what we're gonna do now. Place to hook it up. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. And this is the final result here. Connected away from the exhaust, zip tied to the fan here, fan holder coming this way, and this is the cable. So when the winter comes, this is easy to access here. Close the hood and hook it up to the power. That's pretty good. Thank you. All the best. Hope to see you next time.